So this video, I'm going to be unboxing all my perfume. See bag of goodie. So what you're going to do is to first of all give this video a like. Then if I bring out a scent that you have used before, drop a comment. Just mention the name in the comment section. Anyone you've used before or the one you want to buy, just drop a comment in the comment section. Just let me know, oh, I've used this, put the name, I need to use this, and let's flow. So I got all of these from Z Plus Importation. If you don't know Z Plus Importation is one of my businesses where we help people import things from China. So I actually imported all of this. I imported all of this from China and also helped my friend to import hers because she's into perfume business. She sells perfume. I help her import all and deliver to her doorstep from China down to Nigeria. It's very simple thing to do. So today we are unboxing this. We have a lot. this, this, sorry, this, this, and this. Yeah. Yes, we've decided to bath perfume in this house. So this video is long overdue. This, as you've seen on the screen, this was all I got for myself, and this was what my friend got for her business. Like Rachael Brian, being an importation coach, helped her to import all of these from China. And I also decided to stock a lot for myself. Like, I'm not going to go out of perfume anytime soon, though that won't stop me from buying, right? So if you don't have perfume or you want to start a perfume business, this is a sign for you to start your perfume business. You can just send me a DM and I will help you import all of this from China. If you don't want to, if you don't want me to help you import, then you can enroll for my perfume importation class. It's very, very simple. It's not that difficult. And guess what? There are a lot of money in perfume business, right? So each of the perfume I'll be talking about, I will have to leave the prices on the screen and how much is being sold in Nigerian market. Then you check if it's something that you would love to do. Remember, the goal this year is to secure the bag. And one of the ways you can secure the bag is by starting a business. A business. Buying and selling. And you mustn't have a shop before you start a business. You can start selling from the comfort of your home, from the comfort of your office. It could be a side hustle. It could be a main hustle. If you go through the streets of TikTok and search for perfume vendors, you ask yourself, why are these people selling perfume? After watching this video, I think you'll be the next person to start your own perfume business, because perfume business is a business that, if not that I have a lot of businesses and my friend is already selling perfume, I would have started selling perfume, because the profit in perfume business is massive. It is massive, baby. So let's just look at this. So most of the perfume here, I've sent them out, I've gifted them. So we have this one. This is odd, all Santa. This is the black. So I got the pink, like you're seeing on the screen, and the black, and here are the prices. Massive, right? I couldn't even memorize them. That's why I said I'll just leave the prices on the screen. It's massive, right? So that was what I got. I also got this body spray, Love Secrets, um, Pure Senorita, and Pure Seduction. I got like four. I got like four of them. But currently I have only these two available in this bag for me to unbox. So this is another sweet scent. This gives that floral scent, and I love it so much. And one thing about this perfume is that they last longer. This is pure. I'm going to finish it. This is pure Senorita, and they are designers. You know that. Okay, so let's move down to this one. This is another odd. I got two of this. Two of these. Let me show you what it looks like. Yeah, this is odd. It's odd. Search for it and see how, I think it's pronounced oud, that be odd. Anyone, but just search for it and check what it smells like. This smells like luxury. It giving that billionaires vibe. Like the confidence that comes with using this perfume. It's on a different level. The confidence that comes with using this particular perfume. It's not something that you need to listen to. You need to experience it. You need to get it. And if you also want to get this retail price, I will leave the contact of my friend Petra. She sells it, so you can get it from her. But if you want to buy in bulk, like you want to start your perfume business, then you can contact me. That's my name, my Instagram handle on the screen. Just send me a DM and I'm there for you. If you send me a DM, I'm going to send you my WhatsApp contact. And we discuss business. Then we start cashing out. We are not doing it alone this year. Look at this other one. Cool girl. You know, the first time I saw this perfume, I was like, I must have this perfume. But when I was pricing it here in Nigeria, the prices I was getting, hey, was not your mate. Look at, what do you say? A must have. Yeah, so this, I got this. And this is a confidence booster. Yes, let me say it again. This is a confidence booster. The way you change your step after using this one is something that you need to experience. It's not only by hearing, you need to experience it. So this is also another beautiful perfume that I got. And this gives that girly feels. Like it makes you feel like you are a woman. You understand? Oh my god. So we moved down to this bad boy. This one. The moment I saw it, I was like, this is going to be for my man. And look at, see, it's not your regular, it's not for regular guys. If you don't have an odogo in your life, then you don't need this. This is for, so this gives that guys vibes too. I've not used this before because the name alone. But one day I'm going to try it. Let me try. So you shake it like this before you take it closer. Oh, guys, this is nice. So we move to the next one, which is this box that I have here. It's a 3-in-1 designer's perfume. It's Versace, right? So let me get the pack. So I've already opened this and gifted out one. Why I'm using one. So it's a 3-in-1. And if you see the price, if you see the, so guys, that is all. Those are all the perfume I got. Like I said, if you're interested in getting, if you're interested in starting up a perfume business, then you can send me a DM to either ask me to help you buy, or you enroll for my course where I will teach you how to import these things from China down to your doorstep. If you want them single or you want to pre-order from someone here in Nigeria, then you can also reach out to me. I will give you my friend's contact that sells perfume and you can buy from her. So that is all about this video. Let me know which is your favorite scent, and if you've tried any of the scents I have mentioned in this video.